for chatting to us tonight. You've been telling us all about the awesome rugby and football facilities Aberdâr already has. So if you could change one thing for young people, what would that be?
Probably an awful astro, like in the nights and stuff, so we can use it all round.
Probably the litter, because there's a lot of litter in town. I feel like if we get more bins and all that, it'd be a lot cleaner. More
activities to do.
The litter on the flipping floor. That's right, change.
Have more activities to do.
To be honest with you, I'd probably create somewhere where the kids can go, just so they have something to do on the weekends. I feel like there's not much stuff to do around Aberdâr on the weekends unless like you want to go down on this, have a kick about with the friends, but I don't think it's an actual place that holds activities for kids. I just think it should be something like that around here.
What matters most to me in the community? I think in my community there's a lot of underfunding in the youth development of sports. For example, my sister, my mother's got to pay stupid amounts of money for her to go to dancing classes and things like that. I just think it's mental. So yeah, bit of funding for the youth, please. Cheers.
Yeah, I think young people don't really have a voice in Aberdâr, and even if there are ways of young people expressing their opinion, I don't think it's advertised as well as it should be.
Do you feel that young people are listened to around here?
No, I don't think they are.
So can you tell me why you think young people are not listened to?
Because all the adults think we're just naughty teenagers.
Do you want to be part of making decisions that affect you?
Yes, I would, because I feel as if young people are not heard of, so I think that I should be a part of something so that they can be heard.